Hello kids. Today we are going to learn domestic animals name. First animal is cow. Can you say this with me? Cow. Cows are gentle farm animals. They love to eat fresh green grass. They give us healthy milk to drink. Next is buffalo. Repeat after me. Buffalo. Buffaloes are big and strong animals. They have smooth dark skin. They love to swim and play in muddy water. They give us rich and creamy milk. Let's look at our next picture. This is a sheep. Say it with me. Sheep. Sheep have soft fluffy wool on their bodies. Their wool keeps them warm. They love to eat green grass. A baby sheep is called lamb. Next is dog. Let's say it together. Dog. Dogs are very loving pets. They guard and protect our homes. They have a super strong sense of smell. This is a cat. Say with me. Cat. Cats can jump very high. A baby cat is called a kitten. Next animal is horse. Repeat after me. Horse. Horses can run super fast. They can sleep while standing up. People can ride on their backs. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.